Namaste. The meaning of Namaste is I bow to the divine in you. Namaste is the highest and the most respectful form of greeting. Hello kids, good morning. Today we are going to study about India, our country India. India is very beautiful and unique country with beautiful people and beautiful sights from Himalayas to Indian Ocean, from Thar Desert to mountains of Sikkim. Come, let's study about India, our country India. India is one of the oldest civilizations in the world with a rich cultural heritage. India has achieved all-round progress in last 70 years of its independence. India has become self-sufficient in agriculture and is now top in industrialized countries. India is one of the few nations to have gone into the outer space to conquer nature for the benefit of the people. India is a country in South Asia. It is second most populous country, the seventh largest country by land area, and the most populous democracy in the world. The name India is derived from the river Indus, the valley around which were the home of the early settlers. The Aryan worshippers referred to the river Indus as the Sindhu. The Persian invaders converted it into Hindu. The name Hindustan combines Sindhu and Hindu and thus refer to the land of Hindus. Incredible India is the name initiated by Government of India to promote tourism in India in 2002 to the global audience. The campaign projected India as an attractive tourist destination by showcasing different aspects of Indian culture and history like yoga and spirituality. We Indians truly live by the mantra of Aditi Devo Bhava, which means guest is equal to God and treats our guest with utmost love and respect. Unity in diversity means oneness in the varieties. India is a country where it is very clear to see unity in diversity because people of many religion, race, cultures and tradition live together. They celebrate festivals together, have trade relations with each other. Tourism India offers all-time favorite destinations to millions of international and Indian visitors. World's leading luxury train, Maharajas Express, takes guests to various destinations, showcasing amazing shades of old and new, which is interconnected by metros, where Old Delhi is famous for its ancient architecture and New Delhi has modern infrastructures. The Ganges River is one of the largest and by far the most important river in India. She has been a symbol of Indian age long culture and civilization. Agra is famous for the beautiful Taj Mahal, which is one of the seven wonders of the world. Fatehpur Sikri is the city of beautiful combinations of Hindu and Islamic architectural structures. Jaipur, the Pink City, has ancient forts and rich culture and art. Mumbai, the city that never sleeps, famous for its ultra fast lifestyle and tall buildings. In India, one must enjoy street shopping with yummy local street food. Khajuraho, 1000 years ago, 85 temples, magnificent in form and richly carved, is an inspired burst of creativity. Delhi, the capital of India and one of the oldest city of the world, is unlike any other city on the planet. It's a place that not only touches your pulse but even fastens it. India Gate, which stands in Delhi, is a war memorial. It was built in remembrance of over 70,000 soldiers of the British Indian Army who died in the First World War. Jodhpur, bustling desert, is second largest in Rajasthan. After Jaipur, Mehrangarh has a landscape dominating a rocky ridge with the 8 gates leading out of the fortress. Udaipur, called as Venice of the East, is also city of lakes with a lake palace, Jagnivas, located in the middle of Pichola Lake. A swirling spectacle of sights, sounds, and vibrant colors, the annual Pushkar Camel Fair comes alive from the Kartik Purnima, when Hindu pilgrims take to the scared waters of Pushkar to bath away sins, settling candles afloat on the lake. Lush, rolling green hills against a bright blue sky. Munnar is a home to perfectly organized tea plantation. Set high above the lush canopy of the rain forest, tree houses offer the perfect escape from the outside world. The clear, warm water of the Andaman Islands bring a unique marine biodiversity, making it an underwater playground for diving. The semi-desert region is a playground for trekking and mountaineering due to its unique position in the northern territories of Himalayas. Climb aboard a motorcycle and explore long, windy roads wrapped around riverbeds, offering million-dollar views of a dramatic landscape. India is referred to as the land of festivals. Festivals are an expressive way to celebrate glorious heritage, culture, and traditions. Indians celebrate both national and traditional festivals wholeheartedly throughout the year. Some of the most common traditional dress of India for women are saris, ghagra choli, and salwar kameez. The most widely worn traditional clothes for men include sherwani, dhoti kurta, kurta pajama, angarkha, etc. The traditional Indian clothes and attire have earned admirers from people all over the world. India is the home to many large mammals such as leopards, rhinoceros, the Bengal tiger, national animal of India, and the ancient elephants. There are also water buffaloes and many other species. Cows are considered as scared by Hindu, and thus these animals are highly respected and honored as they symbol strength and provide life-giving milk. India is the only country that has both lion and tigers. As India is a large and very diverse country, the food and the cooking style are different from region to region. Indian staple food are rice, lentils, breads, and spices. Many dishes also use yogurt, cottage cheese, or paneer. Everyone is well aware of a slogan, Muh Mitha Kijiye. Whenever any auspicious event occurs in India, people say this because sweets are a vital element of every joy and happiness celebrated in our country, India. The Republic of India has several official national symbols, including a historical document, a flag, an emblem, an anthem, animal, bird, fruit, tree, etc. There are hundreds of thousands of monuments spread across the country, but some of the most prominent ones are with significant features and mark the presence of India on a global map. Dance in India include classical, semi-classical, folk and tribal. Sangeet Natya Academy, the National Academy for Performing Arts in India, recognizes 8 traditional dances as Indian classical dances. They have roots in Sanskrit text, Natya Shastra, and the religious performance arts of Hinduism. As far as art and culture are concerned, India features amongst the top most rated culturally rich country in the world. The handicraft of India have been loved and respected worldwide. There are different kinds of games played in India, from popular sports such as football and cricket to lesser known but most played local games like Kho Langdi. A traditional Indian field sports like archery, chess, water sports, martial arts sports are also popular in India. Hindi cinema, often known as Bollywood, is the Indian Hindi language film industry based in Mumbai. It is one of the largest center of film production in the world. Dadasaheb Phalke's silent film Raja Harishchandra in 1913 is the first film made in India. This is not the end but the beginning of our new India. There is much more to be said about our country. Jai Hind.